folks, JD here, and I think it's time for a little revisit. Let's look at the windmill again. Yeah, I'm really taken with this guy, as if you couldn't tell. We're going to take it back up again, take it for a little flight in this really nice calm day and see exactly how it performs again now after I've had about a week or so away from this. Let's get it back up and let's see exactly how it does. So, let's get her on the mat. Alright, so let's get this set up then. So, let's find a flat place as possible. Let's turn her on. Let's turn on the transmitter. Single, one up and one down to bind. Solid LEDs. Oh, no, let's turn off that motor. I'm trying to find the calibration for the gyro. There we go, perfect, that's it. Right then, now we're done. Let's take her up. This is in vision mode, by the way. If you haven't seen the original flight test, I'll link it in the description. So, let's take her up. Alright, here we go. So she is up, she's active, vision mode is enabled. We've got a 2-mile-an-hour breeze coming in from my left, hitting the drone and then carrying on off to my right. Doesn't seem to bother this little fella though. Ha ha ha! Off we go. Hee hee! Now I had a lot of fun with this first time around. Let's give her speed mode 2. Get her around here a little bit. Oh, just yes. 100 times yes. This is what it's all about. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, speed mode 3 beeps. Off she goes. Cutting through this little breeze that we've got here today. Oh, she's a little bit quick in speed mode 3. If you turn her, you bank her at the same time, she can do some lovely little quite tight turns, but wow, she is quite flighty. Okay, back to speed mode 1, couple of flips, put in speed mode 2. That 2-mile-an-hour breeze is a little bit too much for it. It has only got small motors. There we go, another little flip. Beautiful. Yeah, really nice, really like this. Okay, let's bring it down and let's see if we can take it back up using the smartphone instead of using the transmitter. Okay, got a little bit of grass inside there, let's just get rid of that. Right, let's turn off the transmitter. Let's turn on the... have a little look at the Wi-Fi. Come on, oh, you're already connected, beautiful, wow, that was quick. And then let's open up the new Eachine Fly app. We go, we have... there we are, perfect. We have FPV, we have everything. Let's take off. Slide to unlock, up she goes, holding herself again, using the vision system, and then using, oh, I forgot, it's reversed, then using this tap system. Had a lot of questions on the tap system. My honest answer, I find it very, very intuitive. Let's put her in speed mode 2, medium mode. Now then, let's try this flight plan. So what I'm going to do, she's pointing this way, so I'm going to just make a straight line. Oh, and of course she goes backwards because it's reversed. Right, okay. So, in order for it to go forwards then, let's go from the corner downwards. Wind is blowing her a bit, but she is sort of going in a straight line. Well, the flight plan works. It's a little bit... it's not the best, but it is working. Okay, let's turn off the vision system. If I can in this mode. Let's have a little look. Actually, no, what I'm going to do is leave it on. Let's do burst shot. So 3 burst photos. So let's get a little bit in front of it and then let's hit this shutter button. 3, 2, 1, shutter button. There we are, burst shot, 3 shots, bam, 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 one after each other. You can also have a time shot. So you have a countdown from 3, 2 to 1, and then, boom, photo taken. Oh, 3 burst photo taken. Lovely. Right. Yay. Haha. Oh, this little guy is really quite fun. Come on. There you go, fella. There's a good little copter you are. Now the battery is extremely low, as I'm sure you can see from the screen recording I've got right in front of you. It is on low battery. but still we're going to see if we can get a little bit more of a flight out of her. I can't get over how fast this thing is when it corners. Nice little bit of distance there, considering it's on smartphone. Oh, okay, so let's try this landing. So let's land, down it comes, and then bam, landed, no problem. There we are. I find it a bit of a struggle actually to be trying to find or trying to execute all of the commands for this particular drone and actually go through every single feature within the 5-minute allotted time. Now that is a bit of an issue. I'm hoping that even though this drone has got some excellent plus points, well actually most of it are plus points, it does have the glaring issue, which is the battery life. 5-minute battery life, but still, it still performs well, it still performs admirably. It just takes a little bit getting used to the fact that as soon as you take off, you've quite honestly got 4 minutes and 59 seconds and counting. Until you have to bring it back down, especially if you're swapping transmitters, smartphone, transmitter. That's going to drain the battery even more. Well, other than that folks, I absolutely adore this little copter, and I'm sure we'll see it again in the next coming weeks. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening folks. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time my friends, happy flying.